Hello, everyone.
Oh! Oh my God!
The power of this massive ship is absolutely incredible. They definitely shouldn't have gotten that close. After severe flooding caused by a storm, these two boats broke free from their moorings and slammed into a bridge in Vietnam. Fortunately, the bridges were built strong enough to withstand the impact. Controlling the speed of a giant beast like this has never been an easy task. Shipyard, a crane suddenly collapsed between two cruise ships. Let's hope no one was injured. The boat was being operated by a woman. Thankfully, the man in the red shirt escaped unharmed.
Oh! Oh my God! Oh my God!
They were confident they could tow this massive crane across the icy waters of Greenland, but reality proved to be much more challenging. Off the coast of the Philippines, a passenger ferry collided with a large cargo ship. In China, a massive ship completely destroyed a bridge within seconds. What do you think caused this accident?
Oh my God.
In Florida, despite warning signs telling boaters to stay away from the drawbridge, many ignored them, and this was the result. Thankfully, no one was injured. Have you ever seen a car driving across the sea?
Oh, whale! Whale!
Oh my God, he's got a
How much do you think the compensation for this collision will cost?
Oh my God!
These people never imagined their fun vacation would end like this. I think this accident is going to cost them millions of dollars.
I'm serious. Call the police right. Call the police right now. Call the police right now. Okay.
How many people can you count on this boat? If you could give them one piece of advice, what would it be?
Trata, esos más se fueron ahí. Y mae, se cayó allá, mae.
In Taiwan, more than 7 billion Korean won just disappeared beneath the ocean. A terrifying moment unfolded as a 700-foot cargo ship lost control and slammed into a dock along the Suez Canal, sending workers running for safety.
مفيش حد هنا كله فوق.
This will surely be a day the witnesses will never forget. Thankfully, no one was injured. The driver made it out safely, but he'll likely be facing a very expensive compensation bill. At a South Asian port, two massive cargo ships collided, sending countless containers into the sea and destroying valuable cargo. This is one of the reasons why shows like Container Wars exist. I'm pretty sure he doesn't have a driver's license for underwater vehicles. In Thailand, an explosion erupted aboard an oil tanker docked at the port. Within moments, the entire vessel was engulfed in smoke and flames before sinking. San Diego, a fishing boat collided with the USS Midway. Police later arrested the boat operator after determining he was under the influence of alcohol. If you enjoy watching incredible ship launches like these, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest videos.
Oh, no, ahí va, ahí va, ahí va.
Chaos erupted in San Francisco when a passenger ferry slammed into a pier, shattering windows and terrifying everyone on board. Thankfully, no one was hurt, but I still can't figure out what caused this accident.
मार दिया है
40-foot boat suddenly caught fire off the coast of Miami. Fortunately, everyone on board made it to safety in time. In your opinion, what's the biggest challenge of being a sailor at sea? Imagine owning a boat that could fly. Would you use it to soar through the sky or cruise across the water? Have you ever been to Hawaii? The waves there are powerful enough to toss around even a giant boat like it's a toy. This captain must be a true master of his craft. It almost looks like that was done on purpose. Thankfully, no one was injured. This might just be the greatest moment of their lives. Have you ever experienced anything like this? Whoever owns this car, it certainly had an unforgettable adventure.
Get out of the water.
A jet ski narrowly avoided colliding with a large cargo ship in San Diego Bay on February 13. Thankfully, no one was injured.
Let's leave it at that. Ground effect. Oh no, they better get out of there. Come out of gear.
A sudden fire broke out aboard the Carnival Freedom near Eleuthera Island. Although the scene looked serious, the crew successfully brought the fire under control.
Look at it on fire again. A single mistake was all it took for a tall ship of the Mexican Navy to crash into the Brooklyn Bridge, leaving everyone watching in shock.
Holy crap. We're gonna hit the dock. The camera! We gotta keep moving. This is insane.
That's all for today's episode. If you enjoyed our videos, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.